it's Havy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make crystal clear slime. So the first thing you need to do is wash your hands so that they're clean. And you want to use the clear glue bottles because they tend to be more clear than the gallons, but if you have a gallon then it's fine. I just recommend the bottles. And of course you'll need an activator to make your slime into slime. And you'll need a spoon to mix everything up. You'll also obviously need a bowl so that you can put your slime in and you can mix it up in so it won't get like really messy and essential. And then you'll need a container to store your slime in when you're done making it. So let's get started. So the first thing, you need to make sure that the bowl is very clean because you don't want dirt on it because you want your slime to be crystal clear. You don't want dirt in your slime or hair or whatever. And then you just want to start by adding your glue into the bowl. Also guys, comment down below if you like me doing voiceovers. And then you want to do that trick that I showed you guys before. Just screw the lid back on and turn the bottle upside down so that you won't miss any of the glue, and you can add that back into the slime later. And then you want to start by adding your slime activator little by little into the bowl, into the glue, and then mixing it up slowly until your slime is all formed. And when kneading it, which will come soon, when you knead it, you have to make sure that you just have to remember that it will take a while and it will get messy and sticky. And sometimes it may look like your slime is too hard, but I would recommend not adding activator to it until it really is like all kneaded and it's still sticky, because a lot of people make this mistake and they add too much activator and then their slime is hard and it's just a disaster. So yeah, we're just gonna mix this up and I'll see you guys when the slime is all done. Finished slime. It is finally done being kneaded. It took a long time, but here's our slime. And as you can see, it kind of looks like it's white. I did tell you guys before that it can get very white. So yeah, and it might make you think that it's white slime, but yeah. And now I'm just adding a bit more activator because when you leave it to sit for about a week, it will kind of melt a bit. So it's actually fine if it gets a little bit hard, but don't like activate it a lot just because of that, because then even after a week, your slime will be hard, and that will not be good. And you don't want like a putty slime, so yeah, you just want to let it sit for around 1 week, and then it should be totally clear. I don't know what I was doing with my fingers, but I was saying 7 days. So yeah, sit it for a week, let it sit in the sun, and
it's not
yeah,
like my normal
here it is.
filming area because I'm in my room right now, but I wanted to show you guys the slime. So here it is, and I think it's been a week, and yes, as you guys can see, it's like really clear, and it's really nice. I honestly love this texture. So yeah, let's do the ASM. It's like really thick, and yeah, I just really like the texture. It's really nice. And since I'm filming with one hand, I can't really use the other hand, but yeah, I'm sorry if this is like really bad, but it is really nice clear slime, so I would definitely recommend this recipe. So yeah, bye guys.